Hello everyone, welcome to Stampin' Grotto. Today we are going to be creating this card together. So this is in Fresh Freesia, and I am using the Fragrant Flowers stamp and die set, as well as the current Celebration Designer Series paper, as well as one of the dies from the Stylish Shapes die set. I am using one of the stamps from Framed Florets, just for the inside of our card. So let's dive in. Okay, so I have gone ahead and pre-prepped a lot of the items that we're going to need, but I'm going to walk you through everything every step of the way. So we are going to start with a piece of Fresh Freesia cardstock. This is cut to 8.5 by 5.5 and scored at 4.25. And the first thing that I did was, because this will be the base of our card, I took the middle size square die from this Stylish Shapes die set. So this one right here, whoops. And I just die cut this out. Now you're gonna save this because you are gonna use it, but I die cut it out first, and then instead of putting this in so that the raised part would be the metal plate look, I put it in the opposite way. And so the metal plate look is on the inside of the card, but that left the outside of the card looking kind of a little like a quilted pattern, which I really like. So that's how I did that. And then I took, this is a piece of basic white. This is the regular, not the thick. And I cut this to 8 inches this way and 5.25 inches this way. And then I scored here at 4 inches and then again at 6. And then I just folded it this way at the 4, and then this back this way at the 6. And this is gonna go right in here, just like this. So you'll have this that opens. Before we can attach this to the card, I wanna actually stamp the inside of this just a little bit. We're gonna grab our Fresh Freesia, and on this bottom corner, I want to stamp with this. So this is the stamp here from the Fragrant Flower stamp set, and it will match this that will go on our front. So there we go. And then I'm going to take this stamp. So this is from the Framed Floret stamp set, So Lucky to Call You Friend. And I'm just going to stamp this in the center. So just like that. And then I'm going to take this and I am going to attach it in here. So I'm just going to grab some of my liquid glue, and I'm just going to put a small amount just around, and then I'm going to go for center-ish. Just like that. Make sure that's pushed down. And then this is going to go here. But we only want to attach it to this part right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this. And then I'm going to take my glue and I'm just going to put glue around the outskirts of this area. And then I will put this down, and make sure when you glue this down that you have it the right side up. I'm just going to fit it right into its hole there, press it down, And then we now have this look. So the next thing that we're gonna do, so this is from this Favored Flowers Designer Series paper. I just cut these out with my paper snips, and then there is a matching die in the set to die cut this that matches these. So I just die cut that to go on here. And we are going to pop that up on some Stampin' Dimensionals. So I'm just going to grab 3. I'm going to put 1 on each leaf and then 1 kind of up here. Remove the backings. And we're just going to put this kind of in the center, just like that. And then we're going to take some more Stampin' Dimensionals and we're going to pop up our sentiment. And this, this sentiment is the thanks from the Fragrant Flowers. And I used this big kind of banner die here, also from the Stylish Shapes. So I just stamped the thanks in fresh freesia, and then I die cut it out using this die here. And let's go ahead and put that on. So we're just going to put this on just like this. And there we have our card. So it actually is fairly easy to make these cards, and you can do them with lots of different things. I'm going to be using this designer series paper like crazy because it's just so beautiful, and I love that a lot of the designs, not all of them, but a lot of them can be cut out using the matching dies. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, and let me know if you have any questions. As always, if you are interested in seeing more, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks, everyone.